Happy greetings to you all, my dear friends. This video, it is a highly information video. I got a handful of information to share with you all. Before that, we'll go through a glance of all the plants that I've planted and it has been grown. So it is the tomato and brinjal plant, it is gone. And now next, coming to the brinjal plant, see some of the, you can find few of the brinjals being grown from the plant, and there are some flowers being ready to get the brinjal. Next one is the cholam and the maize. It is being a dry crop. It is grown to only a certain level, so just left as it is. The next one is the tapioca. Tapioca has grown well. Being a 10-month plant, it is growing in a very minimal level only. No issues. We will wait for it. We will proceed. Now it is the cabbage that is also growing well. 2 to 3 plants of cabbage I have got, and that is also growing well. Now the tomato, all the tomatoes are growing well, and another some 4 to 5 days of time we will get the complete tomato grown. Before that, I am posting this video because some of the brinjals are left out that is grown well. See, 1, 2, 1, 3. Normally this kind of small brinjals, when you pick it up and make an oil fried dish, it will be very tasty to have. Already in my video I have explained you all about doing this kind of oily brinjal fry in a place near Urmalpet. I will also post that video link in the description. Please get to know. And going forward, tomato has grown very well, and the yield has also shown to be very high. We will wait for another 4 to 5 days of time so that these tomatoes get completely ripen, and then we will post another video. So friends, with this, get to know how this brinjal, that is a very small brinjal, at the initial stage can be cooked using an oil named oily brinjal fry. I'll post that video link in the description. Get to know about it. Within another 4 to 5 days of time, I'll get back to you with all the tomatoes being ripened. Thank you all. This is just an informative video to keep you posted of what is happening. So yeah, sorry, moreover, these tomato plants have been suffering from a disease named leaf miner. You see, this kind of white color patch is the bacteria that is there. Actually, we have to remove this particular leaf. The bacteria named leaf miner will completely rest on the tissues of the plants and then feed well on from only the tissues of the plants. So there is complete growth detachment of the leaves, so the plant gets insufficient nutrient and growth. So we have to remove this kind of affected leaves and then put it into fire so that it doesn't get reproduced. Also, to control this, I've just searched for so many options from the internet, but the only organic methodology to control this leaf miner activity is the spraying of neem oil. I'm about to do that today. I'll do that. That too, spraying the neem oil will only stop the reproduction of the leaf miner larvae, and to kill that, we just want to remove that particular leaf and put it on fire. That is all. See, when everything is going well, this leaf miner is also growing well, being an enemy for the tomato plant. See, this is how farmers face difficulties. So now, at least now I can spray some chemicals or pesticides, but I don't want to use that, being told as an organic farming, and I just want to induce the growth of the plant without using any chemical pesticides. So I'm going to spray neem oil in very minimal concentration so that this leaf miner doesn't reproduce again. Anyhow, let it be. It is also an experience of learning for us. So thank you all. Happy of sharing with you all. Thank you very much. Bye.